Come on, children. Please suppose the distance between Earth to Sun. I'm writing on the screen. Distance between Earth to Sun. A few examples we'll see, then we will directly write that part. Distance from Sun to Earth. Yes, I think Jashmita having some network issue. She is continuously asking to join. Distance from Earth to the Sun. Earth to Sun is yes, 149 billions 600 millions. This is the distance between meters. The same way we can go with other examples. How we supposed to write this larger number into the second one, the speed of light. What is the light speed, children? You can you already learned in your science class, right?
3 into 10 raised to the
Ma'am,
power
I
8
know, ma'am.
meter per second.
Speed of light. Why? A light will come first, then thunder.
Because light
Ma'am,
travels faster than sound, ma'am.
Yes.
yes, ma'am, because it does not require any medium to
Ma'am, I
travel.
know the exact
Yes,
Ma'am, I know exact
please,
speed
please,
of the
please,
light.
yes, please.
Ma'am, it's like 300 crore miles.
Very good.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, it is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second.
Yeah, exactly 300 crore. Yes. I'm writing complete picture so that how scientific notation will help us to make our yes meters per second. Next one, thickness of class mathematics book. Suppose you have to your mathematics book thickness is 20 centimeters, or else diameter of red blood cell is 0.00007. I think there are let me write children. These are the signs. The average diameter of red blood cell, the thickness of human hair, the distance between moon to earth, the sizes of planet, the size of the plant.
Ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am, do we need to write this all?
no need, no need. Just one example we will take, and so that these are the two examples. We'll go with the two examples so that no need. Just I'm giving for more. Why we are using? Observe these things, children.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, you're supposed to see this. If you write numbers like there are large numbers, so you can see the large numbers. We are really difficult to read and write, and like very small numbers also. Suppose I said the small number like average diameter of red blood cell, average diameter of a red blood cell is also very minute. It's nothing but red blood cell is we have 0.00000. I think there are 6 5 zeros. 1 2 3 4 5 0 7 millimeters. So in this case, you can see children the few large numbers also difficult to read and write, and two small
And
numbers
we
also
can
it's
do
very
7
difficult
into
to
10
read and
power
write. Yes,
1 by 10 power 7.
yes. So for that, identify very large number, very small numbers from the above facts, and we can really you can use a standard form or scientific notation to express these numbers so that you can yes no Pallav yes any problem children I'm not getting your voice someone is calling
Ma'am, Jashmita is unmute. That's why there is an echo.
yes Jashmita please mute yourself now. How we supposed to express these numbers as a scientific notation? You see children first number?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes,
say?
please, Ashrita. Ashrita,
Ma'am, can I say the answer?
yes, Ashrita, can you please express this as a scientific notation or standard form, please?
Ma'am, 1.946
1.496.
6
Okay.
into 10 power
8.
Yes, how many?
10 power 8.
Ma'am, we should even count that numbers also, right, ma'am?
Yes,
Because we took the numbers
yes, yes.
after
That's why. No, she's
Yes,
correct, right?
ma'am.
Okay. So you,
11, ma'am, that is.
yes, yes, you have to add
Yes,
how
ma'am, it's
many here?
11.
It's nothing but these 3 points also you're supposed to add, children. Why? Because these are also point after. So it's 1.496 multiplied with 10 to the power 11. 10 to the power 11.
Ma'am, or else it can be 1496 to the power 10, 10 into 10 to the power 8.
Not, but we supposed to use this scientific notation, means we have to mention.
No,
the-
ma'am, I'm saying about the 10 to the power 8.
Yes,
If it would be
you can write. But always we are using a scientific form. How we supposed to use as a scientific form, children? Generally, yes.
to
Let-
make it very easy to read and write.
yes. So here you see the second number. Second number, how we supposed to represent? 3 multiplied with directly we
10 to
can
the power 8
1,
meter
2,
per
3,
second.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 10 power 8 meters per second. Coming to the third one, how you should write here? This is very different situation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Ma'am, 7 to the power minus 5.
minus 5.
Minus 5.
7.
Into the 10 power
Into 10
10 to the power
minus 5.
minus 5.
No, please.
minus 6.
Yes, no, it's not 5. Who is telling 5?
It's 6.
6.
Yes. See, children, point after how many places you have? 1, 2,
6
3,
places.
4, 5, 6. But it is also in what now? Decimal places only. But if you want
Minus 6, ma'am.
scientific notation, which how many digits you supposed to multiply here to remove the decimal point? Please take your paper and try it.
Ma'am, 6.
Don't directly don't say the answer. Please try in your paper. Is it 10 power 6 or 10 power 7? Please let me know. Sri Harsha. Sahasra. Is it 10 power 6 or 10 power 5 or 10 power 7? Please let me know. Many students. Yes. Who is there?
Ma'am, may I tell?
Sahu.
Ma'am, it is 6 only. 7 into 10 to the power minus 6.
Yes. Why we supposed to not write 5 and 7 here?
Sir, ma'am, may I tell?
Yes, ma'am. Jeshmita.
Oh shit. Ba. Mali disconnect అయిపోయింది life.
Please mute yourself, children. Someone is unmuting and talking. Please. You're not. Yes. See, children, you have to see here. Suppose 0 point. You listen carefully. 0.00. How many zeros I wrote here? I think
5 zeros.
5 zeros and 7. So that if I want to remove this, how I supposed to write 7 divided by
Fraction.
7 divided by 10 power 6.
Yes, 7 divided by 10
10 power 6.
Yes, very good. 10 after power. Yes, no more 1 0. So this
Excuse me, ma'am.
10 power 6, right? 10 power 6 minus.
It will be minus 6.
Yes, if
If
you
we-
move towards on the numerator part, negative exponents will happen. Yes or no, children? 1 by 10 power minus 6. 1 by 10 power
Ma'am?
minus.
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
1 by
Ma'am, can you hear me?
who is this, ma?
Ma'am, Jashmita.
Kashmita, there is a many multiple times you are entering. Why? What happened?
Yes, ma'am, I'm not able to see meeting controls. That is why.
Okay. Now are you your problem solved?
No, ma'am, now also I do not know if I'm unmute or mute, ma'am.
Okay, that's why it's a lot of disturbance. What is happening? I don't know. Please log out from
Ma'am.
your device once again. Please join Nana completely. You just close all the windows. Log out once again.
Ma'am, now I'm actually joining from Zoom.
Okay, right. Now it's okay, right? I can hear you.
Okay, ma'am.
So see, children, the same way you have to see the another part. I'm writing a few more numbers so that you have. Gosh. It's a 0.
Ma'am, before Sunday's test, you said to practice this, so I did those.
Okay. 0.0016. So here how we supposed to write a fractional form, children? 16 divided by 10,000.
10,000.
So
16 into 10 to the power minus 4.
yes, so if negative positive exponent can be
16 into 10 to the power minus 4.
1.6 into 10 to the power
but
minus
is
5,
it
ma'am.
is not a standard form.
1.6.
Yes, exactly. 1.6 means then you
10
will
to the
get
power minus 5.
minus 4 plus 1, right?
Minus 3, minus 3.
Yes.
Minus 4 plus 1. So that it becomes
Ma'am,
Minus 3.
become ma'am.
1.6 into 10 to the power minus 3.
yes, ma'am. Yes. That is the most important thing in children. Where you are making confusion, so that you can let me know. I'll help you. Standard form always we are writing one whole part. Rest all are decimal places you supposed to write. And the rest, whatever the decimal places, you can take only one. Rest all you can mention it as a.
Can you write the expression in standard form, ma'am, by converting the answer
Yes,
and
you
getting
can.
wrong?
Yes, which one, ma? Which one, Pallav?
Ma'am, can you convert the solution back into standard form, ma'am?
Okay, we'll go. Very good. Good question, actually. This is 1.6. So this can be written as 10 cube. Yes or no? So this is 1.6 divided by 10 cube means how much, my dear?
1,000.
1,000. 1,000 means decimal. If you divide 3 places, if you are dividing with 1,000, decimal moves how many jumps towards
Three
left side? 3 jumps. But you have already one place. You have to fill with. You have to fill with
2 zeros.
2 zeros, so that it becomes 0.0016.
Ma'am, can you give some example, some so
Yes,
that we
I'm giving you supposed to try, children. I'm giving on you. Please, you're supposed to try. You can check like that also, children. You go back and check what you are doing is correct or not. Write the following numbers in the standard form. It's a 0 point, how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 6 zeros you have to fill. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 zeros and 5, 6, 4. Come on, children. In this, you have to see first how decimal point after how many places. It's 564.
9 places.
Ma'am, it will be 5.64 into 10 to the
10
power
power 7. Minus
minus
7.
7.
Minus 7.
Minus
10
7.
power.
minus 7.
10 power minus 7.
Yes. So
0.64 into
Yeah,
10 to the power minus 7.
5.64 into 10 to the power minus 7.
Or else if you take as a 5.64, you just add your exponent to positive 2. It becomes 5.64 multiplied.
10 to the power minus 7.
Yes, children. You can do any which one you are comfort to do. You can try it, and if you have any doubts, please let me know. This is very important. Definitely, you will get one mark question in your examination, not more than that. 1 mark compulsory they will give. They will test for your 1 mark. Next, third one, 0 point. How many zeros you have? I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 2, 1. You see here how many places are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 places.
2.1 into 10 to the power minus 6.
Ah,
Ma'am, 2.1 into 10 to the power of minus 6.
yes, of course. It's directly 10 power 7 you will get in the denominator. But we are writing in standard form means 21 multiplied with the 10 power minus 7 you will get.
Minus 6.
Minus 7 plus 1 is equal to minus 6.
Yes, yes. So 10 power minus 7 plus 1, it's together, it's nothing but 2.1 into 10 power minus 6. Children are thinking why ma'am is always adding 1. Here 21, but I should write as a 2.1. So that point, if I move, if I should divide with the 10, then only I'm getting 2.1. If I'm dividing 10 means it moves towards right. A numerator part, it becomes plus 1, children. Please write down and try to understand, interlink with your exponential concept so that you will understand this more better. Last
Ma'am, will you give more questions?
yes, I'm giving. This is a little tricky, but if you practice, you will definitely get that. Very simple sums, children. Very simple. Suppose you have to practice more 10 more 5 to 6 bits so that 2, 1.
Ma'am, 4 to 1, ma'am. 4 to 1.
Okay, 4 to 1, 2, 1, 6, 2, 1, 6, 5 zeros. 2, 1, 6, 5 zeros. That means 2 crores 16 lakhs. 2 crores 16 lakhs can be represented.
Ma'am, can I say
2.16 into 10 to the power 7.
Ma'am, 2.16 into 10 to the power 7. 2.16 into 10 to the power 7.
In this case, directly you can write, children, just point after.
Ma'am, after point, how many numbers is there means it's 7, ma'am. That's why we write 10 to the power 7.
Exactly, very simple technique. Yes, very good. Who said?
Ma'am, good evening.
Sir.
Good evening, ma'am. Just pause your recording for some time.
Hello, sir.
Ma'am, you may pause your recording.
Yes. Sir.
Ma'am, please pause your recording, ma'am. Still not paused.
Okay, children, please, you see, this is more simple than earlier one. So in this case, 2 after how many places you have? You just count.
7 places.
7.
Just count it and write as a 10 powers, 2.16, whatever number you have. So
10 to the power 7, ma'am.
just a minute.
Ma'am, it should be 7, no, ma'am?
Yes, you count it. I didn't count it. It's 1, 2, 3,
Yes,
4,
ma'am,
5, 6,
7 only.
7. Right. 10
7,
power,
ma'am.
10 power 7, children. Directly you can do in this case because here directly we can find 2.16. Only one digit we are removing, rest all the digits we are considering as a decimal, so that it's 2 into 10 power 2.16 multiplied with 10 power 7. If you have any doubts also, then if you have any doubt here how I supposed to get, you can write it as 216 multiplied with, this is 10,000. So here 216 multiplied with 10,000 means 10 can be written how many times? 4 times 10 to the power 4. But standard form always we are taking 2 point. Yeah, whole number part only we are taking only one thing, 216. So here how many you are dividing with? You are dividing with 100. So that, yes, this is 10 power 4. This is nothing but 10 square. If you both are same right here, bases are same, you need to subtract 4 minus 2. This is nothing but 2.16 into 10 square. 2.16 into 10 square. Come on, children, please see that. Any doubt here? Any doubt here? How I'm getting 2 point? Yes.
Ma'am, if we do 216 into 10 to the power 4 also, we'll get the same answer.
What, ma?
Ma'am, if we do 216 into 10 to the power,
Just a minute. Somewhere I did mistake. Just a minute. We will continue.
ma'am, it is citing 10 to the power 5, ma'am.
Yeah. Just a minute. Somewhere I did mistake. Just a minute. Yeah. See, children. Yeah. Till here it's okay. Till here it's okay. But
Ma'am,
yes, just a minute, Sahil.
Ma'am.
Just a minute. Let me complete. See here. This is till here you are writing correct. Then you.
Ma'am, it's 10 power 5, na, ma'am, actually.
Yes, ma'am, 10 power 5. 216 into 10 to the power 1 lakh, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am. 216 into 1 lakh, ma'am.
I didn't write one more zero here, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, that is the reason why the answer was coming wrong.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you see, children, this I'm dividing and multiplying both the sides with 100. So that what happens here, if I divide this as 100 and multiplied with 100, no change. If we cancel also same thing we are getting, right? So here if you divide this both with 100, this part becomes what happens? 216 divided by 100. This becomes 10 power 5. This becomes 10 square. This is ultimately happening here. This any number divided with 100, decimal point move towards 2 places left side. That means decimal
2.16.
Yes.
2.16.
2.16 multiplied with 10 to the power 5. Sorry, 10 power 7. Bases are same means.
Yes, ma'am. You have to add.
Oh, sorry, children. I'm getting today. I was vaccinated. Something happened to me. Continue.
Ma'am, should you also write the procedure in a notebook how you have done?
What now? What, Akash?
But I'm asking you, should you also write the whole thing? Like first we have to do this one and like step by step how we can write direct answer.
Yes, we can see by seeing only you can answer, children. Only few steps of what is happening you have to observe. So suppose you can take more examples and try it, children, so that you will get more perfect. Come on, write down. And the next few more bits you can try. 1524. 1524 and 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. Come on, children, by quickly you have to write this. We'll go with comparing large numbers, how it happens.
Ma'am, 1.524 into 10 to the power
1.524 into 10 to the power
7, ma'am.
7.
Power 7.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, this is very simple, children. 1 point. Point this one after how many you have used?
524. 524.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 or 8?
7.
7, ma'am.
524 into 10 power 7. Directly, this is no need to do this also.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Directly you can write. Coming to express the following in standard form. Only decimal points you can see 0.000, 0.000, 4 zeros and 3 5 children. 4 zeros, 3 5.
3.5 into 10 to the power minus 3.
Yes, 3.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am. Correct. Ma'am, 3.5 into 10 to the power minus 3, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, actually 35.
yes, you have to try it.
Sir,
Wait,
ma'am,
And it's
3.5 into 10 to the power minus 5, ma'am.
Minus 5, ma'am.
Who is
Not
telling minus
minus
3?
3.
Minus 5.
Who is telling there minus 3?
Yes, ma'am. Minus 5. Even I got the same.
Yeah, well, let me check. Children, that's why you don't be hurry. You see here 35 on the numerator. Denominator, which number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means 10 power 6.
Yes, ma'am.
So that it's become 35 multiplied with 10 power 6. But you should what you
And ma'am, 3.5 into 10 to the power minus 6.
Minus 6. Ma'am, as we have to bring 10 to the power of 6 to
yes, you have
Minus
to
6
divide.
plus 1, which is minus 5.
Yes, 10 power 6.
minus 6, ma'am.
Yes, minus 6 plus 1.
Minus 5, ma'am.
We'll get the minus 1, so the answer will be 3.5 into 10 to the power of minus 5.
I think most of the students here, they have doubt why ma'am is added plus 1. Anyone have same doubt?
No, ma'am.
I think not you. Or Ronit and Rohan. Rohan, are you there, Rohan? See children, here nothing I'm not doing, anything I didn't do. Here I just divide with 100 and multiplied with 100. This division part becomes 3.5. Whatever this power, no power means if we can take as a 1. Minus 6 plus 1. This is happening in this. That's all, nothing new.
Ma'am,
Nothing new, right? Shall I give now?
ma'am, how many total sums are there?
Only more are there, ma. These are standard form. You have like complete exercise is there, so that will.
Ma'am, actually, ma'am, they may give standard form in any way, ma'am. Like they will give the decimal form with the 10, and then they can ask you like convert it to standard form.
Yeah, in our exercise 12.2, complete bits are standard form only. Let me write so that you can understand more better, children. These are little bigger sums you have. We express the following numbers in standard form. Express
Ma'am, are we doing exercise?
the following. Express the following in standard form. Yes, express the following in standard form. So that here we are taking as 0 point. So how many zeros we can here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Ma'am, 11 zeros, 11.
8, 9, 10.
11 zeros.
11 zeros mana. Place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Ma'am, actually, I've already done this first bit in my rough copy.
Very good. Very good. Come on, children, please start doing this. Very simple thing you have to do.
Ma'am, answer is 8.5 into 10 to the power minus 12.
Nana, yeah. Just a minute, Nana. First 85 on numerator. Denominator you have to see 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
13, ma'am.
So 10 power 13. Yes. 10 Satvik. Is it 10
Yes,
power?
ma'am.
Is it 10 power 13 Satvik?
Yes, ma'am.
So, but we have to,
Minus 30. Minus 30.
yes, 85 into 10 power minus 13. And another step we need only 8.5, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So that it becomes
12.
0.5
Minus 12.
multiplied with
Minus 13
10 to
plus
the power
1
minus
is
12.
minus
right,
12.
840. Come on, the same way. Come on, children, please do the remaining. I'm writing questions on the screen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Ma'am, why did you minus 13, ma'am, with 1?
What more?
Ma'am, why did you subtract 1 from 13?
See this
Ma'am, we added one.
yeah, I just divided and multiplied with 100 so that my standard form I will to make 8.5
Ma'am, can we also use the first method? Like we can, according to the decimal point, we can subtract.
yes ma, here to get my standard form I have 85 but I supposed to write it as 8.5 so that I am dividing with 10 and multiplying the equation, whatever the equation.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, why don't we write it as 0.85 into 10 to the power 11 minus 11?
Yes, you can write, but standard form always one part as a whole part and the rest of the numbers we are taking as decimal.
Ma'am, can we do like that?
Okay,
Can
ma'am.
we put the decimal point before 5 and then according to the decimal point we can add?
Standard form always we are representing one number as a whole number, rest all the numbers in decimal places and rest of the things we are mentioning as a power notation, exponential form.
Ma'am, what's the B1, ma'am?
Yes, 0.
Ma'am, B1 answer is 9.42 into 10 to the power
Minus 12.
Please count it. How many zeros are there? I'm unable to see my notebook. How many zeros are there, please?
ma'am 11 zeros.
11.
11 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 9, 4, 2. Yes, write down, children. This is the question.
9.42 into
9.42 into 10 to the power minus 12.
Yes. Very simple here also. You can see how many places, 11 places still here, 12, 13, 14. So 942 multiplied with 10 power 14. This can be written as 942 into 10 power 14
minus 14
So
and minus 9.42 into 10 to the power minus 14 plus 2, which is 10 to the power minus 12.
exactly 9.42 multiplied with the 10 power 4 plus 10 square means plus 2. It becomes very good. 9.42 multiplied with the 10 power minus 2.
Ma'am, 10 power minus 12, ma'am.
Sorry. 12 no, this is 12. See, children, I'm giving questions so that you can write your questions in the standard form. I won't do on the screen. Please do your own.
Ma'am, after that, can we play a quiz?
Okay. Only this is the part, only last part we have. And you just
Okay, ma'am.
save it in this. 602. Write down, children. 602.
Ma'am,
How many zeros are there?
how many sums are there in this exercise?
Nikita.
I'm 13.
Yes, how many? Sahasra, how many zeros?
I'm 13 zeros.
Come on, children, 602 after 13 zeros.
Ma'am, answer is 6.02 into 10 to the power 15.
Yes, ma'am. I also got the same answer.
Very good.
I got 6.02 into 10 to the power of
This
15.
is very simple, children. Only 6 point after how many places are there, you can write it as 10 powers. That's all. Nothing new here.
Ma'am, 0.60200, ma'am.
We should not take as 0.602 here, my dear. Standard form means you have to take as one part as a whole, one whole part.
Yes,
Then
ma'am.
rest of the numbers you make as a decimal.
Ma'am, it comes 10 to the power 15 then.
How many zeros, children? You said how many zeros, ma'am?
Ma'am, 13 zeros and 2 decimal
Ma'am,
places.
13
Total
zeros.
15.
Okay. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So it becomes
Ma'am, 12 zeros are there.
12 or 13. See, children, please.
Ma'am, 12 only, ma'am. Ma'am, then only we'll get the answer as 15. 10 to the power of 15. Or else we'll get the answer as 10 to the power of 16.
13 ఉన్నాయి నాన్న 13 ఉన్నాయి రా
Ma'am, it's only 13. Yes, ma'am.
13 you have 13 you have right ma'am 13 and then these two digits together it's 13 plus 2 is 15 right ma'am. Same way you have
Ma'am, the answer for E is 8.37 into 10 to the power minus 9, ma'am.
8 point how many zeros are there nana
8 zeros.
Ma'am, 8
Yes.
zeros.
8
Yes,
zeros
ma'am. 8.
8 zeros and
837, ma'am.
837.
837 okay. See children, this is also very simple. You can count from till here. Anyway, these two are in decimal places, so you can count till here. How many decimal places you have count here?
Ma'am, it is 837 into 10 to the power minus
Yes,
11.
ma'am. 8.37 into
8.37,
10 to the power
10 to
minus
the power
9.
minus 9.
Minus 11 plus 2.
Yeah, this is also very simple. When you are doing, you can understand, children. That's why first bits are why I'm not giving directly means at least what is happening you will think. If I'm giving directly, anyway, this 37 is in decimal place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's why you are getting as 9. Come on, children. Next,
Ma'am.
last one in that. One.
Ma'am, there are only 5 sums.
Ma'am is 3 1.
Yes, please tell number. Sahasra, please. Tell.
Ma'am 3 1. Ma'am is 3 1 8 6 and 7 zeros.
318.
Yes, ma'am.
6.
3186 and 7 zeros.
Okay.
Ma'am, the answer is 3.186 into 10 to the power 10. 10 to the power 10.
Yes, ma'am, correct.
See, Nana, here only it's very simple. 3 point after how many places you counted. That's all. That will come under decimal so that you can count and write it. Into 10 power?
10 to the power 10.
No, this
10,
is
ma'am.
already in decimal places, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, children, how much you are getting here?
Ma'am, 3.186 into 10 to the power
10, ma'am.
7 plus 3, ma'am.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
10, ma'am.
10.
10. That
Ma'am,
is
10.
Yes, ma'am, correct. And we can go with express the following numbers in usual form. Scientific notation they will give. You're supposed to express those in usual form.
Ma'am, first we need
Ma'am,
to solve the
0.50
decimals and then add the
302.
zeros.
Yes, we'll go with that bits, children. That's all. These are the only few bits we have. Rest.
Ma'am, can we go with quiz?
Yeah, just a minute, Nana. Let me complete that part also. Express the following numbers in usual form. Second bit in that. Express as usual form. Express the following numbers as usual form. The following numbers. Express the following numbers as usual form. In usual form. In usual form. You see here first, Jivitesh, are you there in the classroom, Jivitesh? 3.02 multiplied with 10 power minus 6. Satvik.
yes, ma'am.
So how we supposed to express in usual form? You see, Satvik, how we
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, come on.
Ma'am, in starting we'll have 0, 0, ma'am.
Yes.
0.5 zeros, ma'am.
Or else you can first, see, let them understand the concept so that it is easy. 1 or 2 bits we will do. 10 power 6, that means how much, children? 3.02 by 10 power 6 means? 10 power 6 means how many zeros I should write? How many zeros I should write, children?
You should write
4 zeros.
6. Ma'am, we should write 5 zeros. 6 we have to write.
Yes. 10 6 times, that's all.
Then the answer will be
Ma'am,
0,
6 zeros.
0, 0, 0, 0,
Yeah,
3,
that means how many places it is moving. You see, children, how many places it is moving. Decimal
6
place.
places.
How to?
Ma'am,
6. Already you have 1. So you can fill with 5 zeros. Yes or no?
yes, ma'am.
0.5 zeros.
You can fill with 5 zeros and write. That's all.
Ma'am, it will be 302 into 10 to the power minus 8, which we can write as 0.000000302.
Yes. 0.50302.
Ma'am, then how we got 10 power 6, ma'am? Because if 10 power 6,
Negative exponent. This is multiplied
zeros,
with 10 power minus 6. Negative
Yes,
exponent can be always,
but
we
if
can write it
there
as
is power
1 by
there should be 6 zeros, ma'am.
1 by positive exponent, right?
Yes, ma'am. But I'm asking that they gave power as 6, so there should be 6 zeros. Why there are only 5 zeros, ma'am.
5 zeros, 10.
Ma'am, there are 6 zeros.
You are multiplying 10 times, 6 times, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. How many zeros you are getting here?
6, ma'am.
That means 10 power 6, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's why I'm writing. You have such a doubt means please write in a expand the form so that you will understand whether you are doing correct or not.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am, it is 10 power 6 because we multiplied it with 100, ma'am.
Exactly. Next, shall we go with the next bit, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, how many total bits are there?
Only 2.
Ma'am,
Only
ma'am, 45,000.
yeah. Very
Answer is
simple.
45,000.
Yeah, very simple, children. 4.5 into 10 power 4. This is very simple. So you just
45,000.
Exactly.
Ma'am, you should write 3 zeros, ma'am.
Yes. So it's 10 power 4 means, so it becomes how many jumps? 4 jumps towards right
Yes,
side.
ma'am.
Already 1 digit is there so that you can fill with.
45 into 10 to the power 3, which
3
is
zeros.
45,000.
Yes, you can fill with 3 zeros. Already 1 digit is there. So that if you move towards right side 4 places means you can fill only 3 zeros. Next, come on children, next one. 3 multiplied with 10 power minus 8. 3 multiplied with 10 power minus 8.
0.7 zeros and 3.
Very good. 0 point. This is very simple. Why? Because
7 zeros, ma'am.
10 power 8. Already 7 zeros. 1 place you occupied by 3. 1 place occupied by 3. 3, 3, 6, 7. And the last place. Total together 8 places you should get.
Yes, ma'am.
But 1 place already occupied by number. So rest of the places you filled with 0. Next one. The last, what is the not last one? Come on, children. This is the 4th one in this. 1.0001, 1.0001 multiplied with 10 power 9.
Ma'am,
1.0001 5 zeros.
Yeah, you just look at the screen.
Ma'am, it will be 1 0
Ma'am, we need to
0
add 5
0
zeros,
1
ma'am.
and 5
No,
zeros.
point in 5
Very
zeros.
good. How many?
5 zeros.
Whatever the number you have, you just write and 5 zeros you add. That's all.
Yes, ma'am.
Why
Because
means-
9 minus 4.
Yeah.
5.
Why means here decimal point after 4 places. These are 4 places. Already 9.
9 minus 4.
Yeah. You just
9
fill with
minus
5
4.
zeros. Yes. To balance that, you can fill with the 5 zeros.
Ma'am,
Sir.
yeah, just 1 minute, I'll take more.
Sir.
Dear students, I have sent message in WhatsApp group as well as in the chat box. For you all, IIT Foundation book is required since you people are preparing for IIT Foundation. So I request you to discuss with your parent. Soft copy is available through Topper. But what happens if you wanted to refer as a hard